Well, here it is. Cindy, look at this. You just said you were going to send me rain, and my God, look what I got here. May 30th. Incredible. We haven't seen this in really cool. I'm going to try to get this on Facebook. I don't know if I can. Look at this rain. Oh, boy. Oh, thank you, Cindy. Woo, look at this. Oh, look at my tree, boy, that sucker. Yeah, I'm talking reindeer. Woo. You haven't seen this in, I don't know how long. I can't even say. Oh, this is beautiful. Wait till you hear some of that thunder. Man, it was really good. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful rain. Wonderful rain. Woo! Yeah, let's come on down. And the guy just cut the grass today too, so it looks pretty good. Woo! Look at this. All right, I'm going to stop. I don't know how much of this I can get on Facebook, but I'm going to try. Thank you, Cindy.